Hello dear students, welcome to savgyan.com career guidance portal. This is a tutorial about how to fill JEE Main 2023 application form. Visit the official website of JEE Main first. Click on online application. Now you have already registered, you can sign in and complete your registration for session 2. Otherwise you can click on new registration. There are 3 steps to apply. First is registration, second is the application form, and third is fee payment. You can download the information bulletin. Also you can read all the instructions before filling the application form. Check the box and click here to proceed. First is personal details. Enter your name. Enter your father's name. Next, enter your mother's name. Next is your date of birth. Next is gender. Type of identification, select from the following option and enter your identification number. Next is your permanent address. Your sub-locality, locality, country, state, district and pin code of your area. Next is email ID. Write your email address for communication and confirm your email address. Next is your mobile number. Again confirm your mobile number. Next, if your permanent address is same as present address, you can check the box. Now choose a strong password. Confirm your password. Select the security question and your security answer. Enter the CAPTCHA pin and click on submit. This is a review page. You can review your entries. Verify and check the following boxes. Next is declaration. Read the declaration. Check the box. I agree. You can edit your registration form, else you can submit and send OTP. Next you have to enter the OTP that has been sent on your mobile number and click on submit registration form. You can see your registration has been completed and you can note down your application number. Next step is application form. Click on complete application form. First is personal details, then Aadhaar details, and you have to proceed in the following manner. First is personal details. First, your nationality, category, PWD status, yes or no. Next is, are you diabetic, yes or no. Place of residence, whether rural or urban. Next is your state or UT from where 12th passed. Select your state from where you have passed your class 12th. Next is family income, then mode of preparation, schooling and qualifying examination, you can select the language, and next is security pin. Then click on save and next. Next is your Aadhaar number. Do you have Aadhaar number? Select yes or no and click on submit. Apply for paper 1, paper 2A and paper 2B. Select the paper that you want to apply for. Next is question paper medium. Select your question paper medium. Next is choice of exam centers. You have got 4 choices, so you can select any 4 cities for exam center. Occupation of father or guardian and qualification of your father or guardian. Next, mother occupation and qualification. Next is security pin. Now click save and next. Next is your educational details. First is your class 10th qualification details, whether passed or appearing, then year of passing, qualifying exam, place of schooling, rural or urban, type of school. Select from the following option, and your qualifying examination state. Next is your qualifying examination district and your school board name, your result mode, percentage or CGPA, then total marks, marks obtained, and your CGPA. Next is your class 10th roll number. A name of your college, school, and pin code of your school. Next is class 12th or equivalent qualification details. First is your pass status, whether passed or appearing, year of passing or appearing, then qualifying examination. Select from these options. Place of schooling, type of school, qualifying examination state, then qualifying examination district, next is your school board name, then name of your school, college, your roll number for class 12th, next is your pin code of your school. Last is security pin. You can enter the security pin and click on save and next. Next is additional details. Are you twin? Yes or no? Then security pin again. Now click on save and next. Next is your emergency contact details. Again your country code, mobile number. You have to enter your parents or guardian mobile number and email address in this section. Now enter the security pin and get OTP. Verify the OTP. Now click on verify and next. Next is your documents that need to be uploaded. First is your photograph. You have to upload photographs in the given specifications. Click on upload. Next is your signature. Click on upload. And last is proof of present and permanent address. You have to upload a PDF file in the size from 50 KB up to maximum 300 KB. Again, you have to enter the security pin given below. And click save and next. Again, review page, you have to review entries. Make sure you have entered all your correct information. In case of any error, you can edit your application form. Checkbox all these entries. Then read the declaration. Again, click on I agree and click on final submission of application. You can see your application form is completed. Last step is fee payment. You can also edit your application. Else you can click on verify email ID, enter security pin and click on submit to verify your email ID. Now enter the OTP that has been sent on your email ID. Now you can see your email ID is verified. Last step is pay application fees. You can choose the payment option and you can complete your payment. If you have any other queries, you can ask us on savvyon.com. Thank you for watching.